Good evening and welcome to Just Event Online News at 9. I am Rashidat Muraino. The news headlines. NYCN hails Tinubu for investing in youth. Federal government REA launch training of 1,500 youths. Stakeholders plan improve access to finance for Agri-MSME. Katsina commits to inclusive of financing. Political scientists urge Nigerians to get voters card. Niger governor pledges continued support to security agencies and others. SEC to adopt global sustainability standards. And on sports, NCE clears athletic allowances, bonuses at World Athletic Championships. Now the news in details. The National Youth Council of Nigeria, North-East Zone, has hailed President Bola Tinubu for investing in youth, even as it is reiterated its unwavering commitment to unity, inclusion, and progress within the council. In a communique issued September 12, 2025, the zone called on all NYCN stakeholders nationwide to put aside their differences and work together towards a credible, transparency, and unified national congress. The stakeholders meeting held in Damaturu, Yobe State, and chaired by Comrade Yusuf Ibn Tom resolves as follows. The zone applauded President Bola Tinubu youth-oriented programs and intervention being pursued by the Minister of Youth Development, Comrade Olawande Emmanuel Ayodele. The federal government has launched a nationwide training program for 1,500 young Nigerians on renewable energy technology to prepare the country for a cleaner and more sustainable future. The initiative, implemented by the Rural Electrification Agency under the Energizing Education Program, commenced in Maiduguri with 100 students of the universities of Maiduguri forming the first batch of beneficiaries. It is tied to President Bola Tinubu Renewed Hope agenda, which prioritizes the electrification of unserved and underserved communities to stimulate economic growth and improve living standards. Stakeholders in the Nigerian agricultural sector has reaffirmed their commitment to improving access to finance and business development services for micro, small, and medium enterprises with a focus on unlocking growth for agribusiness across the country. The pledge was made during a joint stakeholders awareness engagement held in Abuja. Think collaboration strategies of Agri-MSME growth focus on BDS and financing. The event was organized by the Small and Medium Enterprises Development Agency of Nigeria in collaboration with the Kaduna Business School and the Enterprise Development Center with the support from the Alliance for a Green Revolution in Africa. The Katsina State Contributory Health Management Agency has reaffirmed the state's determination to deliver quality health care to all residents, especially the most vulnerable. The Director General of the initiative, Mohammed I. Safana, stated this at the National Stakeholders Meeting held at the Lagos Continental Hotel. He said, "We are proud to share Katsina progress and reaffirm our commitment to inclusive health financing. The initiative is transforming lives and strengthening our health system for future generations." Nigerian Political Science Association yesterday urged Nigerians who have attained the voting age to participate in the ongoing voter registration exercise. It equally urged eligible voters who had lost their voters card to re-register to enable them participate in the 2027 general election. The MPSA made the appeal in a statement signed by its president, Professor Hassan Salim, and made available to newsmen in Ilorin, Kwara State. The Niger State Governor, Muhammad Umar Bago, has reassured security agency and federal government establishments in the state of its administration continued support to ensure improved security and better service delivery. This was disclosed in a statement made available on Tuesday by Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Bologi Ibrahim. Bagdo made the pledge while receiving on a costly visit head of newly posted security agencies and the Federal Establishment Coordinator in the state. The Securities and Exchange Commission has announced plans to adopt the Global Sustainability Disclosure Standard developed by the International Organization of Securities Commission. The Director General of SEC, Dr. Emomotomi Agama, disclosed this at an investors' roundtable on the International Sustainability Standard Board held over the weekend. Agama explained that Nigerians, having participated in the task force, have developed a standard, will adopt a phased approach to implementation rather than a blank approach. And on sports, the National Sports Commission has cleared the allowances and bonus of Team Nigerian athletes participating in the ongoing 2025 World Athletics Championship in Tokyo, Japan. The NSC Director of Fresh, Dr. Kehinde Ajayi, disclosed this in a statement issued on Tuesday. According to the statement, the Director General of NSC, Bukola Olopade, reaffirmed the federal government's commitment to the welfare of the Nigerian athletes during a meeting with the team and officials of the Athletic Federation in Nigeria. And that is all on Just Events Online News at 9. Here is the recap of the news headlines. NYCN hails Tinubu for investing in youth. Federal government REA launched training of 1,500 youth. Stakeholders plan improved access to finance for Agri-MSME. Katsina commit to inclusive health financing. Political scientists urge Nigerians to get voters' card. Niger governor pledges continued support to security agencies and others. SEC to adopt global sustainability standards. And on sports, NCA clears athlete allowances, bonuses at World Athletics Championship. Be good to people around you and make a good relationship for a better tomorrow. For more news, visit www.justeventsonline.com. And to read more updates, follow us on our social media platform with a tab at Just Events Online. You can also send us an email on justeventsonline@gmail.com. I am Rashidat Muraino. Good night.